Hello everybody, this week I'm going to be talking to you about MIDI and just how to record a simple track, setting the quantization settings, your count in, and all that good stuff. So I'm using Ableton 9, and to start with I just have a MIDI track uploaded here. To do that, you just want to go to Create, Insert MIDI Track, or you can use Control-Shift-T. So first thing we're going to want to do is actually put some kind of instrument or sound into this MIDI track so we can actually hear something, because MIDI on its own isn't going to play any sort of sound. You can think of it as kind of like a composer, composing an orchestra, and he would be the MIDI track, kind of telling the people what to play, and the performers are the actual samples, or the instrument playing that, hearing the composer tell them what to play. So, if the composer doesn't have any performers, then he's just going to look full standing there with no orchestra, or no sounds. So we need to put some kind of sound in there. I already have one picked out. I'm going to be using Nexus. So just drag that. Don't have a mouse on me. I highly recommend for this process to, especially like editing and stuff, it's really hard to do on a laptop keyboard, or a laptop mouse pad, sorry. So yeah, definitely have a a mouse with you. It'll make things just a lot easier. And I'm going to be using this Lo-Fi Rhodes. That's what it sounds like. And so yeah, we have that already. We have our sound in our MIDI track, our instrument in our MIDI track. And next thing we're going to want to do is set the metronome up, which is up here. So we'll click on that, and we'll have our metronome on. And this little arrow right next to it, if you can see, that will be our count in. So we now have it set to 2 bars. That works fine for me. And this right next to here is the global quantization function, I believe. I'm not sure exactly how it works. I believe it's kind of like an auto quantization for whatever you record. If anyone can explain it more in depth to me, because I'm still not too exactly sure how it works, I'd appreciate it. But, yeah, so we have that all set. Next thing you want to do, especially if you have multiple tracks, make sure you have the right one armed. That's what this is. So just click this little clock looking button, it'll turn red, and that just lets that MIDI track know, alright, so we're playing, we're playing this one, we're going to be recording this one. So click on that, and next thing we're going to want to do is click that record button up there, any of these circles in this scene. So I'm going to click that, and we can start recording. The keyboard I'm using is an Axiom 25, and it's a nice keyboard. It has pads on it, has 8 knobs. Works for me. But so yeah, let's start this, get this recording going. That in there. You can hit the stop button now, and then click on our clip to see what we actually have in there. I'm going to move this up here so you guys can see what I have going on. There we go. Hello! Okay. Yeah, so over here we're going to want to change the length of this clip. Since it's a little bit too long, I'm just going to shorten it down to 8 bars. That'll do perfect. And I was just always listen back to your tracks to see how they sound first. At least that's what I do. So I can definitely see a little bit of that's off. So what I'm going to do is right click this track and go to my quantize settings. I'm going to leave this on 1/4, and I'm going to change this to about 50. Alright, and we'll hit OK. And as you can see, that's kind of moved everything over a little bit, just tightened it up a bit. Let's hear how it sounds now. Alright, definitely nice. I'm liking it. I think I want to quantize it a little bit more. So I'm going to move this down to 30. Put that on, tighten it up a little bit more. Also, what I'm going to do is take these notes and extend them over so that they play out to the end. Also, I'm going to grab this one and extend it out a bit too. Alright guys, it's sounding good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's about it. So I hope you liked it. Can't wait to see your guys' reviews, and have a good week. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.